3 essential green egg hacks or upgrades that you definitely want to try. It makes grilling so much easier, especially in all kinds of weather. The first one is I ditched the original daisy wheel for, I forget who makes this, smokeware. But this allows you to cook in the rain without the daisy wheel that has all the holes in it. You can just adjust right here with one single turn, and you can leave this cracked open. And if you leave this open and the bottom open, you'll never have mold in your big green egg. Second mod, and we just finished an all-day cook with 2 large Boston butts, and you can see how much charcoal it has left. But this is that shake that ash basket. So now I can lift all of this out, give all of this charcoal a shake. And I've got all this to reuse. And the third super important one, look here. All this ash I can simply lift out. Also dump out this ash. Now these do eventually wear out, because look, I just had to replace this one. After several years, it finally did give up. Worth the money to get another one. Just simply line up this hole. Put the hole down there. Back in with the basket. We can add some fresh charcoal to the top of this. We're ready to light it. You know what? I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Put a little bit of fresh charcoal if you've got some left over from your last cook. Just a couple of capfuls of vegetable oil, doesn't matter what kind, on a soaked paper towel, and you will have yourself the best charcoal lighter you'll ever have. You'll never have to use lighter fluid again. Let me know what you think of these tips and if you've tried any of these mods. And pretty cool stuff. Thanks for watching.